Welcome to the Mini Hearts, your one-stop destination for all things personal growth and work-life balance. Our channel is a treasure trove of wisdom designed to help you thrive in your personal and professional life. In the hustle and bustle of the modern world, it's easy to forget to take a step back and focus on ourselves. That's where we come in. Our mission: to help you harmonize the different aspects of your life and become the best version of yourself. From tips on how to stay productive without burning out, to advice on cultivating emotional intelligence, we cover a wide range of topics. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie in the world of personal development, there's something here for everyone. We know that life can sometimes feel like a juggling act, but with the right tools and mindset, you can keep all your balls in the air. So join us on this journey and let's navigate the labyrinth of life together. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Welcome to the Mini Hearts, where personal growth meets work-life balance.